Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can change capital letters to small letters or small letters to capital letters using different way. Now let's get started. For example, I have these names in uppercases. I want to change them. Only the first letter must be capital, others must be in lowercase. How we can do it? Easily, just for example, write the name again, but only first letter is in capital. Now just select the range. Select all the range, Control E. Directly it changes all the names to only the first letter is in capital. Control Z to proceed back. If you want to do it, you can do it again from here, home, fill, flash fill. It do the same process. Another way, for example, I want to change it by formula, just equal sign, proper, select this function and select these names, enter. Directly it changes all the names to have only the first letter in uppercase. For example, I want to change it to what? To all small letters. For example, Alan Farman. Okay, then select this and Control E again. It changes all the names to small letters. You can do what you want. For example, I want change this names again to capital letters. Just name it, write the name in uppercase letters, then again Control E. Directly change the names to the uppercase. That's all. Have a nice day.